Welcome back. Let's continue talking about different promotion strategies. Strategy 3 is to build an email list. The benefit of this is if you own an email list for a particular niche, then you can send your list emails in which you promote different Amazon products or in which you recommend Amazon products. For example, you could send your list helpful articles about products, and in these articles you could add Amazon links. So you could do some research and find out about some Amazon bestsellers or some limited time Amazon sales, and then you could just create some content and then send an email to your list. If you want to try this strategy, you will need a couple of tools. First, you will need an email autoresponder. This is a service that lets you build a database of emails, and it's a service that lets you send emails in bulk. Now for this, I recommend using Aweber because Aweber is an affiliate link friendly autoresponder service. And you can get started just for $19 per month, I believe. When you have an email autoresponder set up, then you also need to create a landing page. Now a landing page is a separate page in which you are giving away a resource for free in exchange for an email address. This resource could be a video tutorial, an online course, an ebook. It can be anything that you can think of that provides value to your potential customers. Now, in case you are not a programmer and you hate coding, like me, then I will show you two ways that you can create landing pages very easily. If you have a WordPress website, then I highly recommend you get the Elementor plugin. Here's a preview of how the plugin works. And it's a simple click and drag interface, and with no coding whatsoever you can create any website that you want. And you can try it for free. In fact, you can use it for free because they have plenty of free landing page templates that you can use. Now, but if you do not have WordPress or your own website, then there is another solution. So if you don't have a website or any hosting, then I recommend you try Landingi. And this service is really good service as well. You can create landing pages also through a click and drag interface. So you don't need to do any coding or programming. In fact, this service also comes with a number of free templates that you can use. And here's a preview of all the templates. So it doesn't really matter if you're using Landingi or if you're using Elementor. Basically, you have the power of an experienced programmer at your fingertips, without actually knowing how to code. You will just need to create your landing page, integrate it with your email autoresponder, and then you can start building your email list. Now let's move on to the final strategy I want to share with you. And strategy number 4 is to use Facebook groups. You will need to do some research on Facebook and join relevant groups that are focused on your niche. Let me show you how this works. When you are logged into your Facebook account, do a search for your particular niche. So let's say learn English. Now in the top toolbar here, click on groups. And here you can see different groups which are all related to learning English. And you see how many members there are in each group. So basically you can browse through all of these groups and then join them. And then a request will be sent. Your request should be approved and then you will be a member of that group. So then you can enter the group and you will have an option to create posts into the group as well as commenting into what the group members are saying. You can leave links to your own content as well as directly link to Amazon. The best way to make this work is to read the content in a group and make your comments relevant to what other people are saying. Because you do not want to spam the group with your links because you might get banned from the group. But test this out, see how it works. Do not worry if that does happen because there are plenty of groups for you to join and to figure out what works best at driving traffic to your offer through Facebook groups. But I highly recommend that you try this because it's a free method, it doesn't take a lot of time, and you can get a lot of clicks to your offers through Facebook groups. However, in these posts, make sure that you use the shortened Amazon links instead of the long, ugly links. The long links, they will look like spam, so always use the shortened version. And with that, I will end this lesson. I hope you have gained some ideas on how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links through these 4 strategies that I have shown you.